رمضان كريم 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 شهر عظيم 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 رمضان كريم 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 شهر عظيم 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 قم للعبادة تلقى السعادة قم للعبادة.
Alright, so continue our day in the life of, we just got done giving some groceries to a family. We asked them a few questions like what did they eat for suhoor, because this is like day 6 or 7 of Ramadan. So we asked them like what have they been eating for afur and suhoor lately. She literally said whatever I can get, or if we can get some bread, some dates, some whatever we can get, we'll just eat it for afur and then just move on with the day because they don't have anything else. So those are the families that I love helping, that barely have anything and they're very grateful. So right now we're about to go buy more groceries and find like 10 more families again to try to give some food away. And then later might play basketball or do something else, but I'll continue this vlog, the day in the life of man. Alright, so right now we're at my grandma's house. I usually stay at my uncle's house, but like, you know, every other day or every day I try to visit my grandma, and my mom stays here with my grandma. I stay at my uncle's house with all the other boys and stuff, like all my cousins and stuff like that. So let's get
عبادة تلقى السعادة تلقى السعادة تلقى النعيم. رمضان زمان البركات رمضان زمان الحسنات رمضان
Jannah. You guys know it's not a daily vlog without my little baby. Jannah. Jannah, say hi. Jannah, say hi. Jannah. Say hi to the camera, Jannah. Look at it.
Yo, look this up.
Okay, sorry. Alright, right now we're looking for like a charity organization that feeds people food. We currently found one, but they're not answering the phone or the door. It doesn't even look like they're open for business. We were told by somebody to check this place out. So if anyone else knows about any charity organization that kind of feeds people food and suhoor throughout the month that we can team up with, or DM or something like that, let us know in the comments and then we'll hit them up on Instagram or give us a phone number or something. Contact them. We're trying to look for an organization that feeds a whole group of people so we can feed as much people as we can in one like sitting every day. Alright, so during Ramadan lately I've been drinking like a fruit smoothie every single day. So right now I got a bag of fruits. I got 4 mangoes, 5 bananas, and like 4 avocados for a total of 21,000 shillings, which is about $3. So yeah, I mean, a smooth smoothie every single night, and best thing ever, fresh fruits, love it. Right now it's about, you guys can see kind of the sun's about to go down. I think we got like 30 minutes left till the fur. And so for here, a fur, they just eat like sambus, just some light they just grub on sambus, some like burr thing, and I'll show you guys in a second here when we're eating. So in America, usually we eat so much for a fur, but here all they do is they got one is water, one's more juice. They got 2 of shah. They got a lot of sambus. I love sambus. And some burr to eat with the sambus. And guess what? More sambus. And right here is the tamir. That's all they eat for a fur. So right now a fur is about 6:14. They'll eat that for a fur, and then a few hours later they'll eat like pasta or baris for dinner, and they might eat suhoor later. But after dinner, that's what they usually eat. It's very humbled over here. Late meals, just to show you guys how people feel, you know. Some people will get like 1 or 2 sambusas for a fur. We're blessed with like 20 or 30, but it's just how Africa is. Alright, so it's about 8, 9 o'clock or something, so we're about to go play some basketball, you know, late night basketball or soccer vibes, or football as they call it in Europe. We played football like 3 days ago, so right now we're going to try some basketball. I got to show you some nice clips of, you know, my basketball skills. Alright guys, so it's about 11:30 p.m. and we just got back from playing basketball. A little rough, but it's about 11:30 and still in American classes, so it is school time. About to work on some homework for a while. I have a presentation to do with a class at like 2:30, so I always stay up anyways till like 4 or 5. After I pray, then I sleep, but yeah, I got a presentation. Yeah, just gonna go with the flow. Alright guys, it is like 2:30 a.m. You might be wondering what's that in the background. You know, I got Zoom meetings, man. Zoom meetings. There is currently 28 people in our class. We're doing like group presentations. Hold on, let me mute that. We're doing like group presentations where each of us go and present our projects that we've been working on for the last month. So it's 2:30 right now in the morning. I don't go until like 4 a.m. or like 4:30 a.m. and that's like the time around sahur. So like I gotta start eating right now. Then I gotta focus on our presentation. Maybe like during the presentation, peek my head, sip some water. You know, you'll see. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'm not gonna be listening. But while these groups are going, I got my mango smoothie, got some water, got some vinto juice. Okay, got some pasta and fish, like leg or fresh fingers or something. I got some Skittles for dessert, got some more chocolate dessert, some barbecue to add, you know. Nice little sahur, even though it's 2:30, I might not have time later, so you gotta eat while you can. Alright, so it's about 4:50 a.m. I am still in my presentation, sadly. Still in my presentation, that then went off, so I already ate my sahur. Now we're fasting. Finished sahur. Hopefully this presentation ends so I can go to morning prayer, but just have to see. Doing presentations, and then it's like finals week and everything. This is the last week of my college semester or my college experience. I'll be graduating college in a week. Very excited, but gotta pass these exams. So if this exam ends, then I usually head over to the mosque and I'll take you along to my little walk. Won't record the camera obviously in a mosque, but yeah, stay tuned guys. Just made wudu. The local mosques over there are already in prayer, but my mosque prays a little later, or the mosque I go to, so I'm about to head over there. It is night, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful walk to the mosque. Hopefully I don't get out. I gotta start running. Gotta go.
رمضان زمان البركات رمضان زمان الحسنات رمضان زمان البركات